We are so close, guys. This is the last video in the series. I'm really happy if you made it all the way here, and I hope that this helps your organization. So with that, let's go ahead and finish it up. The last thing we're going to want to do is create a resource to hold all of the task IDs that we matched. So I'll call this one matched task IDs for deletion, new resource, a collection of matched IDs for tasks that need deleting. It's going to be a record, data type record. We are going to allow multiple values collection. We need to do this in order to store multiple values for later deletion. The object in question is task. I'm going to go ahead and hit done. If it is a match, let's go ahead and assign that task ID. We'll say assign task IDs for deletion. And we'll actually use the resource that we collected. And I'll just go ahead and hit add. What we're going to add is the current item, and I just want to make sure we're looking at the correct loop. Yep, that's this one, newly created tasks. It's the one in the closest to the center, and it's going to be this one, ID. Oh, I'm sorry, not ID, just the variable, I'm going to go ahead and hit done. At the end of all of these loops, we're going to add a decision element to make sure that we did find something to delete. If we didn't find anything to delete, no problem, we can end the flow. Did we find task IDs to delete? Yes. And no. And we're going to do the same thing that we did before with our other collection variables. We'll grab our matched task IDs for deletion collection variable, and we just want to make sure that it is not null. Is null false? And if it is null, let's go ahead and end the flow. Otherwise, let's go ahead and delete all of those task IDs. And we're going to use the IDs stored in a record variable or record collection, and it is the matched task IDs for deletion. So let's go ahead and save this flow. We'll call it test flow NPSP engagement plan extension. And make sure to add a description as well for your organization. It's really, really useful, especially if you do transition. Invalid condition logic, check the spelling in your filter logic. I'm sure some errors will pop up as well, probably for things that we've forgotten. Aha, it's right here. There we go. We'll add this AND operator. We'll go ahead and hit done, then save. Hopefully that fixes everything. Beautiful. When you're ready, you can activate it. And when you do activate it, I'll show you exactly how it works. Here we have Adam Smith's donation. We have the grassroots donor plan that's attached to him. I've completed some tasks on this donor plan. We find out that Adam no longer wants to be part of this plan. We delete the plan. We'll see those incomplete tasks are gone. I'm going to go ahead and add back the grassroots donor plan again. And I'm going to uncheck this box, that custom field that we had added. I'll go ahead and hit save. And what you'll see is only the previously incomplete tasks will get added back. If I head to the activities section, only call ask and email follow-up are there, whereas both send email introduction and email ask are also part of this engagement plan tasks, this templates tasks. So if I go to grassroots donor, you'll see there are 4 engagement plan tasks, but when I added it back to Adam Smith, only 2.